After installing iOS 27 on my iPhone 15 Pro, I was excited to try Apple's new Siri voice customization feature that was introduced during the Apple event. But when I went into the Siri settings, I couldn't find the new Expressive Voice Preview toggle. It simply wasn't there. Honestly, I was pretty confused, and maybe you're experiencing the same thing on your iPhone. If you're missing this setting too, let me know in the comments below. So, I decided to find out why my iPhone 15 Pro doesn't have the Expressive Voice Preview option, while my iPhone 17 Pro does. To verify this, I opened Apple's official iOS 27 preview page. As I scroll down to the Siri section, Apple highlights the new pitch, speed, tone, and accent customization features. It says you can customize how Siri sounds by adjusting its expressivity and pace. At first, it looks like this feature is available for everyone. But there's an important footnote. When I tap the footnote, Apple clearly explains that this feature is only available on supported devices. These include the iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max, iPhone Air, supported iPad models with the M4 chip or later, and at least 12 GB of unified memory, Mac models with the M3 chip or later, and at least 12 GB of unified memory, and Apple Vision Pro with the M5 chip. So if your device isn't on this list, that's why you don't see the Expressive Voice Preview setting in iOS 27. As of now, you'll need one of these supported devices to use this feature, and that's expected to remain the case when iOS 27 is officially released this fall. If you're planning to upgrade, I've included my recommended product list in the description and pinned comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next iOS 27 video.